Good morning. Cher Johnston here. I'm going to do another stitch on my bag here. I have a line. I don't know if you can see it, but I can see it. That's the important thing. I am going to do today a twisted chain stitch. I have this lovely DMC thread. I'm just using all 6 strands. With a twisted chain stitch, you just twist. You wrap the thread the other direction. Why is this not looking right to me? All right, I'm going to go from here. Oh wait, I want to go sort of next to it and up this way, and then the other direction, and twist. Nope, twist. Now from here, trying to stay on that line, and twist. I don't know if you heard all that. Maybe I'll take it out. I don't know. I have a package at my door. So excited. Alrighty. I'm gonna go. Let me think about this for a minute. I'm gonna go down here and end off at the back. I took this seam. Remember, I did a running stitch there. I took it out and I did some stitching along the seam line because I need that open to put the zipper in. Okay. Well, look at that. I got bigger and bigger and bigger. Anyways, So there's my seam for now. All right, so there we go. I added some beads. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button, leave me a comment, subscribe for more. Thanks. Bye.